Okay, added. Check now how it is coming. What is coming by default? 1 to 3 or ABCD? By default should be
Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. By default, order will come as a 1, 2, 3. It's a default order. Okay. We can change it also. We can change according to our wish where we want to start. We can give that also. Okay. So by default, all the li is a block level tag. It will print in the new line, and it is a dependent. It has open and close. You will also have the open close block level tag. It will print in the new line. Come down. Write one. Write one property here called type. Type. Okay. In that, now you can change the type, maybe one. If you write one, then 1, 2, 3 will come. If you write A, then ABCD will come. If you write I, then Roman 1, 2, 3 will come. So we'll keep as a by default one only. Default also it was coming as a one. We have added manually as a type as a one. Now also it will display as a 1, 2, 3 itself. Next, after this, come down. There is a tag called HR. It has a property called color. Color, green color. Size 10. So from beginning to last, from beginning of the screen to end of the screen, one line will get created. That line will be in the green color, and the thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. Thickness of the line will be 10 pixel, and it will be in the green color. Open check once. HR is an independent tag. It used to create a horizontal rule. HR is called horizontal rule. Full form is horizontal rule. It's create a line from beginning to last, complete full screen it cover. Even it is called as a block level element as well as independent element. It has self-closing. It has no separate close. Plus it covers the full width. Because of that, it's called as a block level element. Block level tag. If I go here and check now this, one line will appear. You can check once, one line should appear. Next, follow the second OL. In the second OL, we can write here type equal to A. That also capital A. So it is going to generate ABCD. It is going to generate ABCD. That also which case? Uppercase, not as a lowercase, uppercase. In that you can add the same li if you want, no problem. Keep the same number of li. We can copy and paste here, and then we'll check how it is coming. It is the same as a li only or something else. ABCD, capital ABCD or a small? Capital. Because you are given the type equal to A, it will follow the A. Now one place we start with a number, another place start with A. There may be requirement if you want to start from particular number, maybe number you are printing, you can start from 100 also, you can start from 500 also. ABCD you are printing, you can print from the C also, D also. How that will be? Let's go for this number. For this OL. Suppose you want to start from the D, or maybe for this number also you can check first one. It will start from 1 by default. if you want to start from 10, okay, come. If you want to start from 10, what we will do? There is a property called start. In the start property, we have to give the value. Suppose if you give as a 10, what will happen? Starting will happen directly from 10. Okay. Instead of starting from 1, it will start directly from 10. It will start directly from the 10. Check now. Start happening from 10.
Sir.
Start equal to 10. Directly it will start from 10. 10. In the term of ABCD, if you are given the type equal to A, you want to start from the D or E or F or anywhere. Okay. So suppose if you want to start from D, what is the position of D? At which position D will come? E is the 1, B is the 2, C is the 3, D is the 4. So we can write here start equal to START start equal to how much? 4. Then where it should start from? D. On fourth position, which character will come? What will be the sequence? That will be the starting point. You need laptop? Have system? Laptop you don't have now. You can use my laptop. What will happen is directly it will be shut down. So, in the storage folder, delete the files. Okay, hope ready. Starting from where? D directly. Yeah, see, starting from D. Come down. We have some more format. We can use that. We have some more types. We can go here, follow one more OL. You can keep one HR tag. It will give a separator in between. It will look better. OL we can write type equal to a small a. It will give you a small ABCD. Keep inside some technology name like HTML. Keep all another LI, CSS, next LI. Bootstrap. Next li, JavaScript, li, is here. This will give you the ABCD only, but small. ABCD only, but small. Hope you are getting ABCD. Which case? A small case? Yeah. We have one more call. Roman 1, 2, 3. Write one HR. Color equal to orange color. Size 15. Color is orange. Size is 15. OL. LI. This we can keep type equal to I. Capital I will give you capital Roman 1, 2, 3. Capital I will give you capital Roman 1, 2, 3. Keep inside some services, example, software development. Next LI, marketing. Next LI, content writing. Next LI, search engine. PPC you can write. Pay per click. Pay per click. It's called PPC. PPC. It will give you uppercase Roman 1, 2, 3. Capital Roman 1, 2, 3 should appear. Hope getting capital I. 1, 2, 3. Add one more. It's called HR. Color equal to black. Size equal to 15. We can write below next UL, not UL, OL only. OL with the type equal to a small I. A small I. It will give you a small Roman 1, 2, 3. Inside we can add here li, home, about us, next li, contact us, next li, login, next li, register. Save the file and check once. It will give you a small Roman 1, 2, 3. Next example. This file is .txt. .txt. First time you consider. All right. Now is it example 3. Let's give example. So next one to create accommodation. So that color text color is me. Which color? Text color is it. And once you write here. Color option. Right minus and okay, once complete, please let me know in the chat. You can create the next file for UL, unordered list. So in this, how many types we found? One is called number, another one is called A, capital, a small, then Roman, capital I is small and capital. So total how many? Five types. Okay. So using CSS, this is the default feature of HTML. It is not limited till here only. Using CSS, we can create n number of types. Using CSS, we can decide, okay, what should be the type. Okay. We can decide what should be the type. Plus, using Bootstrap, so many are already exist. While learning the CSS, we will be creating our own type, and based on that, we can see that. Even I told you yesterday also, BR, HR, whichever the independent tag we have, say, whichever the independent tag we have, without slash, suppose HR we have open, and if I remove the slash, it will work, guarantee it will work, but it will work in limited technology. Okay. In React, it will not work. It will throw the error because React has some other kind of. In React also, you will write HTML code and JavaScript code only, but it will be based on XML rule. And XML rule says like your tag must have either close separate or close as a self. Okay. Your Angular is also based on template. In Angular, we have some other compiler that will check your template, your HTML, whether it's well organized or not. So while doing the template parsing, if your tag BR tag HR tag is not closed, then it will give an error. It will be not like warning, it will be fatal error. Your page will stop running. It will not stop, it will break the page. Okay. So you can keep a habit, write it, white leave it. If there is a possibility of problem in the future, so better we can add the slash in the last. So 135 you can't do. 135 I have not implemented ever. There may be some solution on internet. Odd number, even number. I have not written ever, but using the logic if you ask, I can write it through the some other technology. But in HTML, we remember from beginning this only. Wherever we have implemented, we implemented the same sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 we can do anything, but not only in HTML. Some other technologies are also required. Or maybe for OL and UL, some other type will be there that I'm not aware of. Okay, next we'll go for the next file. That is this one, called as a unordered list. So create a next file. You can create next file. Give file name for unordered list.html. Unordered list.html. Unordered list.html. Unordered list.html. Okay, unordered list.html. Come down. We can follow the body tag. You can create new file. What's your name, brother? Your name Sam. Okay, so create a new file called unordered list.html. Now find the h1 OL. Unordered. U we can apply here. Unordered list. Inside that, you will follow first column with the default type. Check what is going to come. Type of web application. Type of web application. LI social media. Next li, classified. Next li, B2B. Next li, okay. Type of web application are multiple. Software you have in the three types: system software, application software. Under the application software, you have the web application and desktop application. Under the web application, you have different type of categories. Like some company will have a CRM application. Some company will have their product as a like Just Dial. So the Just Dial is called as a classified website. Then you can say you can say Facebook is a social media. Banking application, all net banking. You can say another one, Flipkart is a e-commerce application. So these all are called what? Type of web application. Type of web application. Okay. Like once we start working after some experience, when next job you will try, job requirement will come. In that it will be written, person should have knowledge on banking domain. Person should have a knowledge on social media. Person should have a knowledge on B2B. Correct? That meaning is what? You are going to work on the particular, like suppose you work like website is a Facebook. So you will say your specialization is a social media. If you work on like quicker website or Just Dial, you will say your specialization in the classified. Okay. Okay. Come now. If now, what is the type by default? Dot 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 is coming or something else? That is called a disk. Disk, D-I-S-C. By default, it will come as a disk. Okay. Next, after that, Operate. Let's run this file. See how is that. Just look like this. Dot 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 has come because that is the by default as a disk. We can write here also type equal to DISC, disk. Type equal to disk. Disk is coming by default. So by default also disk, and after adding the type as a disk also same or different. Default was disk, and after adding the type as a disk also remain same. So that meaning default type is disk. Okay, default type is disk. Now come down right below. There we will use default and the type as a none. It will not give any kind of, just only text will come. Okay, so we'll write here one H3 or maybe H2, anything you can write. None, N-O-N-E, none. So let's follow one UL tag and close the UL tag. In the UL tag, you can mention here type equal to none, N-O-N-E, none. So type none represent, it will not give any kind of format, just your text will appear one after other in a new line. Add inside some device name, for example, printer. Next, add a line, li, here called scanner. Next, write the next line. Scanner, mouse. Next, write one more line. Internet. Next, one more line. Computer. This will give you none of kind of dash dot or anything. Ready? Check now. Is it coming as a none or something else? Complete none? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have two more types. We can write quickly. Let's go write a H2. Under the H2, you can add there call Esquire. Esquire. Add inside. Add inside UL. LI. ULLI. Type equal to SQUARE square. Now inside that we can add some LI. Add some company name. Any name you can add. Add some more LI. In front of all the company names, you will see the square symbol will appear. Getting a square? A square everywhere. Just look like this. Okay. Slowly we should learn formatting also. You can see how I'm giving the space. You will after the UL there will be a space. So while writing, when I will go and write the UL, before writing any line, I will press a tab. What will happen? It will be- Or suppose you can do like this also. You have a shortcut very good. Suppose this many line. Suppose this all line. We want to shift in the left, or maybe we want to shift in the right. Okay. So, right, suppose these lines I have selected. After that, I will press the shift button, shift, and then I'll press the tab. Then it will go to where? Left side. Shift plus tab, it will come in the left side. After selecting, shift plus tab, if you press, it will come in the left side. After selecting, if you press only tab, then it will go to where? Right side. Using that, we can format easily. See, after selecting multiple line, if you press the tab, it will come in the right side. After selecting multiple line, shift plus tab, if you press, it will come in the left side. So this way you can arrange the code. Or again, automatically after few example, you will come and track. Once you create some Python pages, you will start following properly. So hope a square is coming, and that look like this. The square symbol is here. Okay. One more we have last called circle. So we can write a H2, and we can keep here call CIRCLE circle. Okay. Now LI, not LI, UL first. UL open close. Under the UL, you will follow the type, and the type should be circle. Okay. We can write here some circle name, MARA, Marapali. We can write some name, silk board. We can write some other circle name. Corporation. We can write some more circle name. Whitefield, and write simple. Okay. So this all is going to come dot, not dot exact, like a circle with the dot, round with the dot. You can say round with dot. Okay, hope ready. Circle. See what is happening now. So these all are called type of UL. Type of UL. So under the UL, how many you found? One is called none, then disk, then a square, and then circle. 4. And we have 5 over there. So we can make a note of both, and then we can go for next example. Okay, right. So completed. You can go to the developer guide file and make a small note of this OL, UL, how many types we have. Come to the developer guide. In developer guide, write into the OL, you can write how many type you have. We have one type called 1. Second, we have type equal to A. Third type we have capital A. Fourth type we have I. And fifth type we have called a capital I. These all are under the order list. Next is under the unordered list. Next is under the unordered list. Unordered list. What is the type we have? Type equal to none. First is none. Second is disk. Next type is SQUARE square. Next type is circle. Disk, square, and then circle. Okay, next come for the next example, that is called nested order list. We will create another file of nested order list where we can mix OL and UL together, and then we'll understand how it is going to happen. Create the next file called nested list.html. Nested list. Next file will be nested list.html. Nested list. nested list dot html now come inside, start from html, follow the body till date, whichever the website you have used. Every website have an example of nested list. Every website, okay. For example, if you go to Flipkart, in Flipkart, click on any category, subcategory will open. When you click on menu, submenu will open, right? In any website where you go to the click on menu, submenu will open. 99% developer use the UL tag. 99% developer use the UL tag as a nested UL tag to create the menu and submenu. UL tag is reserved for navigation. Whichever the website we have seen till date, every website navigation will come from the UL only, UL and LI. Okay. And if some website have a menu submenu, that is 99% using the nested UL inside the UL. Okay, so this example is a nested UL only, not nested LI, OL. So let's write inside nested UL example. Nested UL nested UL. Follow the UL. Don't write any type. Let it be default what system is generating. So you can write here for home. Next LI, about us. Next LI, contact us. Next LI, our services. Next LI, call register. Next LI, login. Okay, write this, run once. You will find all will be as a main menu only. It will display as usual what we have done till now. All will go to the new line and all will be all in the same line or new line. New line.
New line.
If you want to bring in the same line side by side, then LI will say, now LI what is saying? LI is saying, no, I need full width. I will go to the new line. CSS will come, CSS forcefully, it will say LI, change your nature. Requirement is to come in the same line. Okay. So which LI? Not all the LI, only main LI. As of now, all we have written, all are the main LI. This sub LI is not there. Okay. So let's go. If we have written that, make something like this. Services LI, pull down little and keep something like this. Keep a spacious so that you will not do the mistake. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, now after that, come to the LI. Which LI? Service LI. Open one more UL and close the UL. Open and close. Closing is compulsory. Closing will not happen, mislead you. Okay, it will go here, there. It will not be much clear. Okay. UL open, close. Under the UL, so this UL is the part of LI, right? This UL is a part of LI. Under the LI, you cannot keep the LI. Under the LI, you must have to keep the UL, and then only you can write the LI. LI will never give the next LI. LI will give the UL will give the LI, again LI can give the UL. In website, when we go to the menu will have some menu drop down. When we go in one, there will be one will open. If you go in that, 2, 3 will open. Those are called as what? UL, LI. Okay. LI never give the LI. LI will give the UL. Again, UL will give the LI. Just reverse. A to B, B to A, A to B, A to B. Okay. And in that way, we will write one line of algorithm CSS. We will write in such a way. Once you move the mouse on the main LI, there sub UL will open. Sub LI will open. In that, if you move a mouse on any LI, there UL will open. Okay. Some example I have also, but let's run it first. LI that we are going to learn under the CSS. So LI, keep something here called software. Next call marketing. Next call something employment. Software marketing employment. Okay, ready? Now save the file, see how it is looking. Circle and dot is a leave that. That will come. Definitely it will come. Both will not come similar, both will come different. Okay. Now inside our services, you have 3 services or not. Parent is the our services. Inside there should be 3 LI, 3 child. Okay, that should look like this. Here. Here. Usually when we open the website, how the menus will come? Menu will come in one line. When we move the mouse on one menu, sub menu will open. Okay. HTML will look exact same. No changes in HTML. Now on this HTML, some CSS will get applied, and CSS will say, in the CSS, we will be writing all the LI convert from the, all the main LI convert from the block to inline. So what will happen? All the main LI convert from block to inline. Now, as of now, what is the LI? Block or inline? Now LI is a block. All are printing in the new line. Our CSS algorithm says all the main LI. So how many main LI we have? Home, about, contact, service, register, and login. These all are the main LI. So CSS one line if we write UL of LI display inline. So what will happen? Inside the UL, whichever the LI are there, all will convert into inline. All will come side by side. Then you will write LI of UL hidden. So what will happen? Under the LI, there is a UL. It will be hide by default. Then you will write if the mouse will touch the LI inside, if UL is there, then show it. So once the user will touch the LI, condition will happen. If inside the LI, if UL is there, it will show you. That way we face internet, no website, right? Let me show you. I have one example. Maybe last weekend I have created for some people. Where is that? If I go here under the folder, 22 weekend, I think I created somewhere. Working batch should be under the CSS. Should be under the external CSS or import. Should be submenu here. See CSS part will leave it. Let's look at here. UL is open. UL is closed somewhere. UL is closed somewhere. Now inside the UL, see here, home, about us, 2 li is there. One more li is there for what? Product. Inside the product, there is a UL. How many li? 4 li. Now, so this becomes a 1 li. Now look at the next li. It's called as a services, education, marketing, 3, 4. This li is end here. Next, go to the next li. That is called as what? Technology. Inside again, how many li? So many li. So li, UL is the part of li. And again, li is the part of main UL. I have given here something called submenu and main menu, so that people will understand easily. Okay, submenu is hidden and main menu is visible. Okay, let me go and run this file. Similar way, I guess you also see it on internet, and we have seen on internet. Let's run it. So what is going to come? This is the menu. The screen size is small, so it's gone to the new line. See, these all are called what? Main menus. Submenus are visible anywhere? No. Now when it's go here, submenu is visible. See, here, submenus are visible. 99% developer, whoever create the navigation menu in the market, everyone use UL. For what purpose? Menu and submenu. It is the second level only. Suppose when we go to the services, marketing term, inside the marketing also there may be 2 menu will open, right? Online marketing and direct marketing. If you go to online marketing, there may be 2 will open, correct? So that is called what? Nested li. All will be hidden by default, and all will be waiting for mouse. If the mouse will come to me, I will check I have UL or not. If I have UL, I need to show it. If mouse will go from my area, I need to hide the UL. That is the responsibility of CSS. Okay, a structure is there only, but manipulation is happening through the CSS. Okay, if from this file, if I cut the CSS, you will feel like HTML is helpless. How our page is coming now? See, I will cut this. Let me cut this also. This becomes a complete HTML. If I run this file, you will find like same like our page. This page was showing hero. It was showing as a hero, myself hero, because based on what? CSS. CSS gone, HTML become helpless. Okay. In case now, suppose let the HTML to be here. Okay. Sorry. Let the CSS to be here. Okay. And now I will cut the HTML. I will cut the HTML. Okay. CSS is there. Now where CSS will apply? HTML itself will come there, right? Let me run it. Now your page will look like helpless. Nothing is there inside. CSS is there, but where to apply? Content is not there. A structure is not there. Correct. So basic structure will come from the HTML, and the look and feel get changed by the CSS. Inside the bus, BMTC, what you use in day-to-day life, or car, what you use. Inside the car, if the body will not be there, main body, internal body, we cannot apply the gate, right? If body will not be there, light, switch, entire structure will not get applied, right? If a body is there, then all will get applied, right? So CSS says I can handle the HTML. Okay, HTML says I can deal with the browser. Now both combined together to fulfill the requirement. Okay. That is the meaning of developer. When we go in the market, the company client will explain their requirement. Requirement is nothing but their problem. What problem they are facing? They will explain the problem step by step. As a developer, we will make a note. Okay, and after that, once we come to the desk, then we'll look into the notes, what he has explained. Now we'll start doing the combination of technology, and finally tomorrow we'll come out with some output. Then the third party will say, I have explained, look like similar, but some changes is required. Definitely changes is required because you have explained only once now. Now today again meeting will happen. Some changes you will do. Tomorrow we'll say, yeah, almost is okay. Red color change to blue. Then again what will happen? You will come back, change the red to blue. Tomorrow meeting will happen. He will say red was okay, yeah, let it be red only. Final conclusion, final, right? So that's the market work in that way only. Okay. Okay. So this nested UL we cover. After this, what we have? After nested UL, what we have? So understand the value of CSS. On on website, when you open the website, okay, when the page will open and look like it is so smart, work in the CSS, mobile phone, work in here, there, many animation, photo and all will happen. Behind all, who is running? CSS is running. HTML is there. HTML will be there. So you can say body is HTML only, but the look and feel, the picturization, color combination, appearance, responsiveness will get applied through the CSS. Now look is there and everything is there. Suppose this page, where is this page fellow? Here, this is here. Okay, if I go here and click here, nothing happens. That meaning what? Functionality is not there, right? So first impression is look and feel. Okay, user will be comfortable. Okay, next impression is functionality. Okay, and third impression is security. Those come under the, like people will ask you, what are the points, using that you can increase the user experience. When the user will come to your page, what are the importance are required? What are the important point we have to apply so that user experience should not be bad? So first, if the page is looking very good, everything is well, it take half an hour to load, anyone will wait for half an hour? No. So first impression, quick loading. Second impression should work in all the devices. Third impression, functionality. Fourth impression, security. Fifth impression, stability. Should not be like 10 user open, website get crash. Right? So those all are somewhere 15 to 22 points we have. Using that, we can increase the user experience in a better way. Okay, come to developer guide. DL tag. Under the DL tag, we have two more sub-element. So for UL and LI, we have a sub-element that is called LI. No, for OL and UL. OL is the main LI, main tag. UL is also main tag. Now under the OL, we have a sub-element. What is the sub-element? LI. Under the UL also we have the sub-element called LI. Similar way, under the DL, definition list, we have two sub-elements. One is called DT, definition title. Another one is called DD, definition details. Okay, what is the DT? DT. Suppose, for example, if you go to Facebook, a person will post something. Suppose you are posting something. Now, after half an hour, you will see someone have liked, someone has commented. If you go to the post, what you will see? Your post is one and comments are multiple. Where the comment come? After some space. Your post will be the main post. When the comments come, comment will be after a space from the left side. Okay. So here, or maybe on internet, when a person will post a question, multiple people reply the answer on that. So the question will become a DT, definition title, and the reply of the people, the answer. Suppose one question, 10 user reply the answer. So question was only one, that's become a title. And whoever is replying, that becomes a answer. Okay. So answer will be quoted under the DD, definition details. And the question will be quoted under the DT, definition title. Okay. And that is for what purpose? Especially for if you are creating a page, every website will have a blog, every website will have a comment section, every post will have a comment section. Okay. You have gone through maybe online test, there you will see one question and multiple choice answer, 3, 4, correct? Or maybe you can see what is, so especially for the comment, blogs, article, as well as QA, question and answer. For that purpose, we use this tag. DL, definition list. Okay, so we can write here. The sub element we have called DT is called the definition title. DEFINITION, definition title. Next we have called DD. Next we have called DD, definition details. Okay, DT, in case of DT you can write used to create heading, and this is used to display description, description. DD, many people say description details, detailed description, both are fine. DD, either you put before or last matter. DT is always called a definition title. It used to create the headline of the content, and the DD used to pass the details about the content. Okay, for one title, multiple description may be like is a keyword question answer, or maybe one question, multiple answer, or maybe one question, multiple comments. Okay, so let it be till here. Tomorrow we will complete this DL part, and then we'll go for the page linking, and after that some more thing called table, and next many we have. Video yesterday I have not uploaded there. Yesterday night my internet was not working. Today morning I have uploaded some videos for the other batches for whom React is running. 4 o'clock, because one video take long time to upload. Using mobile data uploaded today. Today guaranteed today night I will upload, and the same URL it will come. You can follow that. Okay. See you tomorrow. It will become more interesting after 1 or 2 class once you get some ideas. As of now, what we are learning, we are collecting the alphabets ABCD. Once we get idea of ABCD, then we'll start keeping the words and sentence. Okay, so I don't have any formula called fast track. Instead of spending 2 months, I spent 1 month extra, 3 months. But I go in slow track. What is my assumption? Like suppose if I'm spending 1 month time somewhere and I learn 70%, why can't I spend 10 more days and learn 100%? Okay. Like suppose already 4 years gap happened. Let it be 1 more month. Suppose 3-4 years gap happened. There was no urgent. If you add 1 more month extra, what is the problem? Okay. So spend 1 month extra and learn better, and then there is nothing like okay in 1 day finish 10 topics. Yes, definitely I will speed up, but not in the beginning. Okay, first month mind should be relaxed. You should not feel it's very difficult. Okay, it is difficult, but not like that. Okay, if you are working in the systematic way, once your mind will become used to. Okay, once we'll have a habit. Okay, without creating 5 pages, I cannot sleep per day. Then need a speed up. That is the meaning of developer. No, developer meaning is what? Without creating 5 pages, he can't sleep. He will feel like I'm unable to sleep. That is the habit of whom? Developer. Okay, similar way, not tomorrow. From Monday, I'll give you the assignment. Assignments are waiting for you. From Monday, you will be able to do something. Then I'll start giving daily 5 pages. Okay.